In Cajola, a Maya Mam community of 18,000 people in the western highlands of Guatemala, where extreme poverty has forced nearly a third of the town to migrate, you can find hope for the future. Xnaq'tz Nab'l Qchman, roughly translated as Wisdom of Our Elders Preschool, gives preschool children in Cajola a head start on their education. Based on the Reggio Emilia philosophy of education, the children learn by exploring what is interesting to them. And in a community where half the adults cannot read, the children take particular delight in reading in their own language and in Spanish. Two-thirds of Cajola's children experience chronic malnutrition. Along with daily vitamins, the children have a nutritious snack and hot lunch every day.
La escuela es un centro muy importante porque el niño es donde viene a mostrar todo lo que trae desde la casa, empieza a desarrollarlo con sus compañeros, empieza a tener más interés y también poner en práctica todos los valores que la familia trae, y la maestra, ¿verdad?, lo que hace es profundizarlos y ampliar sus conocimientos.
Ellos son unos niños muy activos, son muy bonitos, ese cariño que tienen es muy bueno, tienen esa energía, por eso me impactan. Yo les impacto a ellos también porque ellos también a veces me confunden como una madre, porque por la edad que tienen, entonces a ellos nos tienen un cariño por la forma en que convivimos con ellos.
La juventud tiene las llaves de esta sociedad porque tienen mucha energía para cambiar. En sus mentes frescas tienen ideas nuevas para construir y vivir.
The children spend a lot of time outdoors, exploring their environment and maintaining physical fitness. Many activities are based on their Maya culture. The children plant corn and other vegetables and explore the wonders of Mother Nature. A visit to a local farm is further developed in the classroom. Parents are also responsible for the children's education, and their involvement in the school helps them be better parents. The dream is to grow the school to be able to offer more children a good start in life, and eventually provide high-quality education that prepares them for college and to help build a better future for Cajola.